Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today we're going to be making turkey and noodles. The recipe is in this cookbook, which I'll link below. In this book, it's called Pork and Noodles. I've used pork and noodles, chicken and noodles, turkey and noodles, and it all turns out good. So the first thing we're going to do is get our spaghetti into our pot. I like to break my noodles in half. There we go. Okay, and I've got my skillet preheating, and we'll get our onion chopped. I'm gonna get my little spaghetti spoon out. Here it is. I cooked a big turkey, and so this week I've been using it in different recipes. I canned some white turkey chili that's going to be nice to have on the shelves ready to go. And I've made some, instead of chicken salad, turkey salad. I use turkey and chicken interchangeably. Okay, I'm going to save my onions and peels for broth. I'm going to use a half of an onion. It's so nice to cook a big piece of meat like a turkey or a big roast and then make several different things out of it. And then your meat's all cooked and you can make some fast meals. Okay, since my turkey is cooked, I've got it all cubed and cooked. We're just going to put, if you had raw meat like pork or chicken that was raw, then you would just fry it up right now and then go from there and add the rest of the recipe. But since mine's already cooked, I'm just going to start with the onions and the peppers. I still have some of my peppers from last year's garden diced up and frozen, so I'm going to get some of those in there. And it's probably about a half of a cup. Maybe 3/4 of a cup. This recipe calls for a half a teaspoon of sage, but I always put 1 teaspoon of basil in here. I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. One teaspoon of basil. And I'm going to put some better than bouillon. If I can open the jar, there we go. I'm going to put a good spoonful in there. I'm going to pour 1 cup of water in. And I've got 8 ounces, this is a 16-ounce container, but it's half full, so you need 8 ounces of sour cream. And then you need 3 tablespoons of flour. Let's see. And you mix the 3 tablespoons of flour right into the sour cream. And we're going to go ahead and mix our turkey in there. And the recipe calls for 1 pound of meat. And I just eyeballed how much turkey to put in here. I've used rotisserie chicken in here before too. And it is good with pork too. Now we'll get our sour cream mixture in here. Okay, and now we're just going to get that all mixed up together. Give our noodles a mix. Turn that down to 4. We love this recipe. We've been making this for a lot of years. It's a fast recipe if your meat's already cooked. I'm going to add just a little bit more basil. I'm going to cover that up. And now we're just waiting on our noodles. I'll bring you back when the noodles are cooked. Our noodles are finished, so we're going to drain those. This tool is awesome. It just goes right over your pan, and then you just hold the handles and drain your noodles. And now we'll sprinkle a little parsley on top. I put 1 teaspoon of salt in there. Now we'll give it a taste. Ooh, that is so delicious. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.